Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a chocolate lip gloss. I'm telling you, and the stuff is, guys, this gloss really smells nice. So I'll be using a 25 ml gloss. So this is a 25 ml gloss. So I kind of have this size of glosses in different mls. So I'll be adding, this is sunflower oil. I decided to use sunflower oil. I added 2 spoons. I'm not really sure the camera cover most of them. I added vitamin E oil. I added, what's this called? Oh my god. I added a preservative. I want to remember. I remember one. I don't know. Oh my god. Yes, I added glycerine. So that was it. So I'm going to mix the sunflower oil together. So since I'm making a small batch, so you don't have to mix your powder with oil, so I decided to mix my oil and gloss together first. And I'm going to tell you, I really love this shade, like this shade of the gloss. I really liked it. I really love the shade. So I'll be adding a little. Even I kind of made a mistake. The one I added was too much. So still, we have to continue. So I'm going to mix this together. So guys, if you are watching for the first time, please like and share my video and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the gloss after making it. Make sure that's how it looks, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.